hit the fish. There we go. Just let him bite it really good. He took all of it. Just a beautiful way to spend an afternoon down here in beautiful Mexico, in Rosarito and Baja. Catching a bunch of these. I don't know, this is like my 9th or 10th one already. Only been fishing about an hour. Here he comes right here. That's my fish. See if I can get the hook back on this one. Come on, I'm gonna let you go. Yeah, it's not too deep. They're too deep, I just cut them off. This one isn't too deep. Oh, it came off already. All right, go ahead and let this fish go. I like to release all of these in front of you so you can see that I'm not pinning fish on, winding the fish in again. Nice, beautiful barred perch.